Hello everyone, I'm Ichie Nduka. Welcome to African Native Tales by Ichie Nduka. The Igbo society is one known for its rich tradition and cultural practices underlined with deep philosophy and purpose. These practices provide support and preparation for the life journey. Today, we will be looking into an ancient Igbo cultural practice, a practice known as Iru Mgbede, a rite of passage that marks the transition of a young girl into womanhood. This is usually a period of cultural nurturing and preparation for the next stage of life. Marriage. This rite of passage begins when a girl reaches an age considered marriageable and is led into a secluded hut, a space where only women are allowed to enter. There, she will spend between 7 native weeks of 4 days a week to 3 native months, depending on her family's resources and village customs. During this period, a girl is not allowed to do chores that are physically too taxing. She is to be educated about the intricacies of womanhood, lessons on cohabitation with a husband, sex, pregnancy, motherhood, and the vital role of women in the community. Practical skills such as cooking, pottery, weaving, plaiting of hair, bead making, basket making, and embroidery are passed down to the young girl undergoing the rite of passage. This depends on the skills and trades that are common among the women of her village. For Igbo, women are known for their exceptional skills in pottery, bead making, embroidery, weaving, basket making, and hair plaiting. The community plays a pivotal role in supporting the girl's journey. Women from the village bring gifts such as fruits, fish, and meat to contribute to the household, showing their solidarity with the girl's transition and her family's responsibilities. As she learns, the girl grows not only in skill but also in understanding of the duties and responsibilities awaiting her as a woman. This time also serves as a space of nurturing, where the older women share wisdom and counsel, preparing her for the many paths of life. A girl goes into seclusion just a girl and comes out a woman, mentally prepared for the next stage of her life. At the end of this initiation into womanhood, a ceremony takes place. The girl is taken to the village market square by the women, carrying a basket filled with the bones of fish and meat that she had consumed throughout her time in seclusion. This display serves as a powerful symbol of her readiness for marriage. This marks a significant moment, the announcement to the village that she is now of age. Potential spouses are now permitted to express their interest, signaling that she is ready for the next chapter of her life. This rite of passage is not just a practice. It is a traditional initiation of young girls into womanhood, community, and continuity. It is a reminder of the rich Igbo traditions and the support it provides that shape the lives of young women, preparing them for the future with knowledge, support, and love. Through practices like this, the Igbo people pass down their heritage, teaching their daughters the importance of identity, tradition, and resilience. In every step of the life journey, there is a story of growth, wisdom, and the unbroken circle of life. Stay tuned for more stories on African cultural practices, tradition, wisdom, and beliefs. Hit the subscription and follow button as you join us on both YouTube and TikTok. Like, comment, and share.